everyone, today we're going to learn how to make these little pumpkins out of toilet paper rolls. As always, I will have the complete list of supplies in the info box below. The star of the show are the paper rolls. So we're going to start out by folding one in half and then folding it in half once again so that we have a square, and then we match up the two marks that we made with the square with the two marks in back. And in total, we're going to have 4 columns in front and 4 columns in the back. Next, we're going to cut some triangles at the very top of each column on both sides. With some magazine paper, I made a paper ball that we're going to use to stuff our paper rolls. Now we bring our pointy columns down and we hold them down with a bobby pin. With a concoction of alcohol and water, we spray our pumpkin down. This is to get rid of any germs, and it also gives us the ability to shape our little pumpkin into a more rounder shape. Next, we give our pumpkin a bath in glue, and this is to stiffen up the paper. Now that our pumpkin is nice and dry, we get to paint it. I decided to use some orange nail polish. I love it because the color is amazing and the finish is nice and shiny. You can also use acrylic and then just give it a protective layer like Mod Podge at the end. For the stem of our pumpkin, I cut a strip about 1/2 inch thick going diagonally on another piece of toilet paper roll. Using a bamboo stick, take the strip and wrap it around like so till you have a nice pointy roll. Glue the bottom part and secure it with a clip. Next, we paint our stems a nice beautiful green. To make our leafy curly cues, cut a super thin strip going diagonally with another toilet paper roll. Paint it green just like our stem. For the leaves of our pumpkin, we're going to paint a toilet paper roll with the same color that we painted the stems with. Once the nail polish is dry, cut the leaves out freehand, or you may also draw them in if you feel uncomfortable doing this. For the leafy curly cues, all we have to do is place them in a bamboo skewer, wrap it around, and there you have it. Now that we have all of our components, it's time to assemble. We'll place the stem first. To give our leaves more dimension, we are going to fold it inwards on a bamboo skewer. And then we're going to curl the points. This will make it easier to glue onto our pumpkin. the curly cues to size and glue onto our pumpkin. Touch up areas that need painting, and don't forget underneath the leaves. With a fine tip brush, we're going to paint all that hot glue that's exposed. For the final touch, use a black crayon and give the markings on our pumpkin a little color just to give it more dimension. There you have them, our beautiful little pumpkins in different sizes. And how do you like my little model? Her name is Tere, which I rescued her from the garbage. So doesn't she look pretty? Let me know what you think. Don't forget to share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.